we've just completed another top tier RMA PPF installation, this time on a brand new 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan Black badge. One of the first in the UAE. Let's check it out. So why ProFilm? Well, we're accredited by them and they're one of the leading manufacturers approved by the IWFA, which means they're also approved from OEM suppliers such as BMW Group, who build this Rolls Royce Cullinan, Audi Volkswagen Group, and Toyota and Lexus. So you're getting OEM factory quality installations from our trained team. We also use pre-cut technology, the correct patterns for your car, so no open blades and nasty removal of panels on a brand new car. So if you want the ultimate protection for your brand new Rolls Royce, check out RMA PPF by ProFilm, from enthusiasts for enthusiasts.